In Jamango, there are many things you can do with a wrench, a node system. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to go over and make a biome that can register when you're inside the biome, so you can have custom features and stuff that is custom to each biome that will turn off the moment you go to another biome. So let's get started.
And here we are. So what we have here is we have what we'll call this the grasslands. So this would be the grasslands, this will be the desert. This is the part that it goes from one biome to the next. So because this is going to be a shared biome between the two, what we'll do is we'll put along here back to here, and we're going to call this grasslands. That's not how I spell it. Grasslands. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to go from 3 to this and to here. Desert. Now here, and I'm going to have to put this around in, I'm going to just show it here, but you want to put it all the way around the biome. And this will be reset. So what we're going to do, we have the grasslands, as you can see here. So let's look. I already have behaviors for enter biome and leave biome. So we're going to do enter biome here. As you can see, we have on character foot enter, and we have an if function. So what we're going to do here is switch this to did I spell this right? I did not. I keep doing L. Grasslands. Which I'm going to then copy. Put here. Put here. Now entering. So we have this. But because you'll have the local states, which I'll show you how to set up to 0 so it works. This entire thing will work. Because you now will have this, you can do the equal stuff and have this go to the if function, which will then, you could, here it's a prompt to enter or leave. So here you could also put someone gains this ability, or someone can break this stuff, and all of that. You can change what they can do based on these values that you get for entering. We go to this. I set this up as my local state. When a player joins, they get all this stuff at 0. So what I gotta do is come up here. Got to clone this node. Move this up here. Clone this. Move this up here. Player. Grasslands. Join value. Now we have that. So what we're going to do is now you go to, we have the reset area. This is where we do the leave biomes. It's practically the exact same thing as the other one. But because it's a shared one, you're going to need to do this. And you have to do this twice. So you can do the read biome twice. And you'll set one up for leaving. But based on what the value is. And that'll make it so then they'll only say now leaving for the biome you're in based on what your original number is. If it was 1, then you'll get the now leaving. But if you didn't enter it yet, it'll still be 0, so it won't give you any value. So we turn this into grasslands because this is leaving the grasslands. Grasslands. Now we have that. We can save and close. So now we enter. Now entering. So now if I step on this, oh look, it won't say it again. But if I go here, now leaving. What you could do is with this if function, and then you'll have the exact same thing. You'll do, what can you do? What do we want to give the person? We'll go to character, and while they are in the grasslands, here, perfect. Alright, no, that's get. Sorry. Scale. Set. Okay, now that we're in here, we'll do is lower this. Okay. Now we'll put 0.4. While you're in here, you are 0.4. But when you leave, when it resets, you come here, we have scale, set scale, do that, set back to 1. Then you go back to 1. So, look, we enter here, now, we are now small when we're in the grasslands, but now when we go back over here, we're back normal and we're leaving. So, if you guys want to be able to learn some more functions in the node system, or want to learn some specifics, then put down in the comments what you want to see next to learn, or see if it's possible, and I will give you guys a tutorial. So, bye!